Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we're going to make today is a classic. It's called the Pink Lady. I've made a lady or two before on here, but never a pink lady. So Pink Lady is a London gin based drink, cocktail, with a little bit of applejack brandy. And some grenadine. It's going to give it this pink color. So we got some true grenadine. A little bit better than the syrup that I normally use. But anywho, let's get started to making a cocktail. And this is also uses an egg white. So what I'm going to do is mix it in here first, chill it, and then shake it with the egg white. So it'll get a better froth once it's cold and not the ice breaking it up. Gotcha? Here we go. First thing first, we're going to go with an ounce and a half of our London dry gin. Next, we're going to do just half an ounce of applejack. Next, we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And last, we're going to do just 1/4 of an ounce of grenadine. Give this a little stir. Add a little bit of ice. All right, I'm going to strain this into my shaker cup. Now that it's nice and chilled. Now I'm going to add my egg white. Give it a good shake. Got our Nora glass. There you go. A slightly pink lady. It seemed like to make it pinker, you should probably use more grenadine. But then again, I don't know how well that offsets the flavor. Right, so you want to make it as per recipe or make it prettier. Like I said, it's light skin pink. Anywho, cheers. Solid drink. Lemony, sour, like I like sour. Solid, I like it. Anywho. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.